Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybees YouTube channel. I'm a skinny bee man. Haven't put out a video in a while. I've been under the weather. Got a surgery Monday and then a surgery a week from Monday. Things is looking pretty good. It looks like it's going to be alright. For the people that bought packages, they're really ready to go now. I'm just not capable of taking care of things. So here in a couple of weeks, I hope to have the packages out in the nucs, looking good for the end of the month. So everything's looking all right. We've already got, this is a mating yard. I'm just going to give you a little tour of the 3 mating yards in the main yard. These are all loaded with bees in this yard. We got several. I think we're going to end up running about 340 mating boxes this year. As you can see, we just got boxes all the way up this. It's about a half-mile driveway. You can see them all the way up through there. But just wanted to get an update. People have been asking if I was all right. I am all right to a certain extent, and I will be fine. Just take a little time. This is my second mating yard. These are all loaded with bees and queens also. I'm not going to walk down the bottom. But you can see them all the way down through there. This is my third mating yard. I think we like a total of 40 boxes having all the yards full. This is the main yard, which you guys have seen before, but it's pretty full right now. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to let everybody know that I was alive and kicking. I'll try to get some more videos out to get things on the mend. If you like the videos that I put out, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it. Get notified when we put more out. Well, there's the pup. Not much of a pup anymore. He's growed up. You guys have a great day.